And Jason Nicholas, you're trying to get a handle on that heat, aren't you?
I'll tell you what, anytime we have heat and certainly the humidity, the moisture in the atmosphere, all that available for these storms to fire up, all you need is a trigger, Leon, and we had a front moving through last night. And all the moisture that was in the atmosphere came right down very quickly. We had all that flooding across the region last night.
And boom, 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 there it was.
And there it was. And now we turn our attention to heat and humidity. Take a look right now at the Power 5 Live Doppler Network radar. Now, this is what was happening earlier this morning. You can see that massive rain moving out of northern Ohio down into central and southern Ohio. Those were the cells that prompted all that flooding. In fact, take a look at these rainfall estimates courtesy of the Power 5. Now, what it does is it goes back 12 hours and figures out, based on how much rain was falling on the Doppler radar, how much rain actually did fall. Anywhere you see the darker greens indicates 3, possibly 4 inches of rain over just a few hours' time. This is 480 here. There's the airport. So we're talking about North Olmsted, western sections of Cuyahoga County. Then we head farther down to the south through northern sections of Medina, northeastern Medina, southern Cuyahoga, all the way through central Summit towards Akron. Some spots there, 4, possibly 5 inches of rain fell in a short time period. That means that you will have flooding issues. The drainage system just not fast enough to deal with all that rain, and we've certainly seen that here today. Hey, the good news now is we're getting some sunshine, and we are drying things out. However, front is still hanging around across central and southern Ohio. It'll eventually move back north as a warm front as we head through tonight and tomorrow, and that will open up the floodgates on some real hot air to move into the region. So still can't remove that storm chance, especially this afternoon away from the lake. All right, let's bring in our big board weather maps and talk about what is up, what is next. Staying hot, staying humid with that isolated storm threat again across the south. Best chance. Big question is, we're going to see any cool down. We got to cool things off anytime soon, or we're going to be stuck in the 80s and 90s. Now, we're talking about dew points, talking about moisture in the atmosphere. Dew points have been in the 70s, and that's, again, where we're at today. This is oppressive. It's even worse than tropical, okay? Tropical Florida, dew points normally low 70s. We're in the mid 70s across some spots. Our comfort zone is way down there, upper 50s, low 60s. Fortunately, we're not going to be there for some time. Precip and cloud forecast as you head through the rest of your afternoon into the evening hours. Maybe a few showers, especially south away from the lake. We'll clear things out tonight and then really heat things up for your Wednesday. A few possible showers late Wednesday afternoon off to the west. Upper 70s and low 80s right now. Again, when you factor in the dew points, middle 70s, that is oppressive. That is overly humid. For today, upper 80s, 87 degrees. Clouds will mix with sunshine. Again, staying very humid. That slight chance of an afternoon thunderstorm will not be like yesterday. Waves 1 to 3 feet with partly cloudy skies with a water temp of 70 for you boaters. Here's your 7-day forecast for Wednesday. We'll keep things dry, low 90s. Thursday, there's your hot day. 95. It will also be humid. Chance of rain comes in by the weekend. All right, UV index for today. Be sure to wear the sunscreen is an 8. We're back after this.